Hello, my name is Antani Rere. I'm going to summarize two videos about scientific claims for happiness. The first video is called How to Be Happy, Secret to Happiness for Brandon, and the second video uh, is called Happiness for a Lifetime for Sandra. Starting with the first video, is talking about how a person can be happy, and where he said that happiness comes from common sense, and he said that common sense isn't a common practice. He explained this in different areas, but where he explained how a person can be happy emotionally, physically, in relationship, and spiritually. Starting with emotionally, he said that happiness comes from an orientation where a person look at the past, present, and the future. Starting for the past, he said that you have to accept what happened in the past, even if there were struggles, the sufferings and challenges, but you have to accept it and believe that you will do the great things and be happy. And also for the present, he said that we have to be engaged in what you are doing now, where he said that you have to appreciate what you are doing now. And also for the future, he said that we have to be excited and have anticipate that things will be fine, where you have to be an optimist. You have to believe that what you are doing now, you in the future you will get the result which makes you to be happy. And also, he talked about different ways a person can use in order to be happy physically, where he talked about different ways you can use, like sleeping 8 hours, drinking more water, take a break, avoid eating food which are allergic to you, and eat more greens. Uh, these things, these are the things that can help you to be happy physically. And also for being happy in relationship, he said that you have to adore and appreciate one another. Means that in a relationship you have to give value to each other. And also there are some questions he said, he talked about, that you can ask a person, like you can ask yourself, like if you are present with your loved one. Also for the spiritual, he talked about how a person can be happy spiritually. And also he said that you have to have a faith and believe that God will do the best thing in your life. Also, going to the second video. The second video is called Happiness for a Lifetime, and it's for Sandra. She said that for her to explain how a person can be happy, she used a Chinese code, which said that if you want to be happy for an hour, take a nap. If you want to be happy for a day, go fishing. If you want to be happy for a moment, get married. And if you want to be happy for a year, inherit a fortune. And if you want to be happy for a lifetime, help someone else. Means that you have to help someone in order to be happy. And also to support this, he used another proverb for the president, which says that the benefits of helping somebody is beneficial. This means that if you are helping someone, you become happy than doing any other action. Also, she used an experiment where they asked students to do five action of kindness per week, and they were supposed to do that in 6 weeks. It was about acts of kindness, and there were three groups. The first is control group, single group, and other group, where students were supposed to do kindness those five action of kindness in different days. And all they did those actions, but they find that those who did those actions in single days, they want to be more happy than the other groups. And also for the control group, they're having less time for others, and they were not able to help others, which means that they are helping less compared to other groups. And also those who did those 5 actions of kindness in different days, they tried to do those actions which makes them happy, but they were not successful as those who did in single days. Means that if you do those 5 actions of kindness in a single day, you are the one to be happy than the other groups. Analyzing these videos, I find that the video for Sondra is the one which is more helping, which helps people to be convinced than the other one for Brandon, because she used some quotes which are known, and also she used different facts, like they did the experiment. But for the Brandon, he just mentioned things which everyone can do in his or her daily life, like drinking water, taking a break, and so on. Those are common things and everyone can do that. But for Brandon, for Sondra, she tried to provide facts and tried to convince people that doing some actions of helping other people can help somebody to be happy than anything else. Thank you.